We are working so hard without money in our pockets. I think this is a Kenyan economy. So hard to survive in Kenya. But we do try. We do try a lot. Sometimes life really hits us harder. Until it really hits me harder. Let me not combine everyone. Life really hits me harder. Until I just say that am I living in an illusion of commerce? There's no money saving. No saving at all. My pockets are always empty. But at least we do try. We do try and do something. Not for today, but for tomorrow. Aje ba?